Hello Raiders, today's April 4th. I'm Emma.
And I'm Haadiya, and this is your Raider Roundup.
I've had so many wonderful memories at Rouse this year, and I want to keep them forever.
You have really scratched the surface of high school.
I'm going to buy a yearbook this year so I can remember all my memories, and you guys should too.
I need to buy one as well. They always turn out so good, and they always have so much blackmail potential.
Okay. Have you ever wondered how they make the yearbooks look so cool and well put together?
Yeah.
We should go figure out how they do it.
Come along with me and my friend as we explore this compelling mystery.
What's your idea for the 2023-2024 yearbook?
Well, this year we're going with an Art Deco theme, having different shapes that our staff created and pulling out colors from all photos, so it's a very colorful yearbook this year.
Thank you. How much effort do you put into the yearbook?
A lot of effort goes into the yearbook. It's only one period, so obviously an hour and 30 minutes. But then a lot of us students have second periods that we can come in and work on the yearbook. So I would say about 40 hours a week goes into the yearbook. And so, it's a really big thing. We go to camps and stuff and trying to get new ideas. And it's just a really big process. And it's a lot of fun, but it can be really hard, tedious work sometimes.
Thank you.
So Raiders, this is your official PSA to get your yearbook. You'll make me and Kermit happy. Anyways, moving into sports, varsity track and field boys are having a meet at 2 p.m. today at Rouse.
Good luck, guys. Moving on to academics, Star Boot Camp is happening. It ended today, but the next session is April 9th through 11th.
Its times are from 3:45 to 4:45. Join Star Bootcamp if you want to be an academic weapon. If you are too old to take a STAR test, well, we all hate you.
Tomorrow at Advocate, you can celebrate spring by making and taking home your own plants. Get a pass from Miss Hensley and join us in the library.
Okay, the eclipse is happening on the 8th. Here is the bell schedule for it. Now to the stage, One Act Play. One Act Play is happening today at 7 p.m. You guys should definitely go. Heard it's a lot of fun. Speaking of the arts, the Visual Arts Banquet and Show is happening today at 5:30 p.m. Come check it out.
Rouse Democoma Week. Stay tuned for some dance. Anyway, seniors, today is your last day to order your cap and gown.
Don't let that senioritis take over you. You still have to graduate.
Who am I kidding? I still can't drive. But you seniors can. Honda Leander is giving away a new Honda Civic this year, and the drawing is going to be held on April 14th, 2024. And at Honda Leander at 2:30 to 4:30 p.m.
Thank you for watching Raider Roundup. Stay tuned for more.
See you next time.